So, welcome to today's presentation. I have the fortunate position of being able to give 3 presentations in 3 days. This is my first one, my first time, so please no heckling. So what I'm going to do today is talk about an introduction to high robotics and what ACRs are and ACR systems. I'll also go through how we are set up in Europe and our site references that we have. I'll introduce our UK team and also go through the High solution portfolio. And then tomorrow we're going to look at some applications, and on Thursday, if you're fortunate to be around, we're going to start looking at some scalability solutions as well. So here's our company overview. So High is a pioneer of ACR technology. We were founded in 2015 and implemented our first project in 2018. Since then, we've successfully implemented 500 plus projects. So in total, we have in the field over 4,000 individual robots. In terms of our employees, we've got 1,600 employees, and that's growing. This data is as of August. And 50% of those people are in research and development, so they're engineers striving to improve our product. In terms of our philosophy, we are committed in making the best robot application we possibly can, and we solely focus on an ACR robot. This is the only type of application that we currently do. So in terms of our expansion, we set up a European office in December of last year. I actually started in January, so this is month 9 for me. So what's an ACR, I hear you ask? An ACR is an autonomous carton handling robot. The way we see this is it's a highly efficient goods to person mechanism where we can use, we can handle both totes and or cartons. And that could be an existing fleet or a new fleet of totes. The way we see this is we can also increase significantly the operational efficiency of your goods to person picking and your overall operation. The key difference with us against other AMRs is that we use the volume. We're using the volume of the building to a maximum of 10.5 meters currently. The key to our solution is flexibility. You do not need to implement a high volume of robots initially for your system. We can grow with your business.
In a warehouse, we usually use different types of cases to store goods. For the most part, we rely on time-consuming manual operations to handle them. So how do we make these processes intelligent and efficient? Robotics' HAIPICK ACR system is the optimal solution. The HAIPICK robot moves across shelves autonomously, conduct intelligent picking and handling of cases, thereby realizing rapid warehouse inbound and outbound, meeting your warehousing automation needs efficiently and intelligently. HAIPICK system is the first warehousing autonomous case handling robotic system developed and put into commercial use, serving customers in multiple industries. With HAIPICK system, customers can realize warehouse automation within 1 week and significantly improve storage density and operation efficiency. To solve the different pain points in warehousing, Robotics has launched a full range of HAIPICK robots, including multi-layer ACR, double deep ACR, carton picking ACR, and telescopic lift ACR. HAIPICK robot self-charging capability ensures non-stop operations. The robot can perfectly dock with various workstations to support multiple inbound and outbound methods, including on-robot picking workstation, on-conveyor picking workstation, on-shelving picking workstation, and Highport powered workstation. The HiQ software platform can be connected to the customer's warehouse management system. It uses AI algorithms to ensure accurate and efficient execution of tasks. By leveraging HAIPICK systems benefits, Robotics has redefined a goods-to-person method. HAIPICK system has been successfully adopted in multiple warehouses, providing efficient, intelligent, flexible, and customized solutions. We provide professional services worldwide, creating the best value for every warehouse and factory. Customer success, our mission.
So, we're fortunate enough in Europe, as of August of this year, to be present in 13 countries already. We've deployed 21 projects in various stages currently, from initial implementation to over a year's worth of active operation. And we have over 420 robots actually working in the field. In terms of the UK, we have myself, Damien. I'm the UK country manager for the UK and Irish markets. I have over 20 years experience in solution design, system applications and account management. And we have a solution design manager, Nikhil, who's over in our stand. And he has extensive experience of larger systems, mainly in the airport industry, but also in logistics as well. In terms of our application, we are CE certified, and we currently have a roadmap to UK CA. And we're developing a network of local suppliers to help support us in the deployment of our projects. We're fortunate enough to have 2 UK references, and these are significant sized solutions with over 160 robots in the field. So in terms of our product portfolio, these are the 3 main robots that we deploy. In essence, they use the same principle of the chassis, and we have flexibility in using different types of load handling devices. We can use single deep, we can go double deep, and we can also have variable width for carton handling. On the mast, we have buffer positions to allow better cycle time efficiency, and that's also flexible depending on the throughput requirements. And everything is driven by our HiQ software package, whether that be an equipment scheduling system connecting to a customer WCS, or we can also provide the black box WCS system as well. All our robots have onboard safety systems, including LiDAR and emergency stops. Now, one of our supplementary technologies to our robotics is our Highport. Now, a Highport is a machine that rapidly offloads or loads the robots in a cycle time of between 3 to 5 seconds. Now, the reason why we utilize this is it actually can decrease the volume of robots needed in the fleet to achieve throughput. So we can achieve throughputs of up to 600 totes per hour from a single pair of Highports, and we can even sequence to a pick station or to a workstation. Okay, so in conclusion to this presentation now, we've talked about that Robotics are a pioneer of the ACR technology, founded 7 years ago. We have a local presence which is growing on a monthly basis that's dedicated to our customer base, future and existing. We have an in-house WCS and software team for deploying our robot solutions using advanced algorithms. We use novel approaches to some consistent warehouse operational issues, which I'm going to actually talk about in more detail tomorrow. And we're also, because of the nature of our robots, highly scalable and highly flexible with our solutions. So it's not necessarily investing in that infrastructure straight away, but growing with your business. And we'll go through a case example of that on Thursday. So I won't ask if there is any questions because of the volume of people here, but if you'd like to come and see me or my colleagues, we're in the stand on the left-hand side behind you at 5C70, where we have an A42T robot, the telescoping robot, active at 8 meters. Thank you for your attention.